Good morning, everyone. Now we will start the morning call. US markets were down 1%, while Asia is down 1.5% this morning on fears that rate cuts by Fed will get postponed. China's economy in the first quarter grew by 5.3% and beat expectations of 4.8%, while receiving a boost from policies and increase in demand. If we look at what has driven this growth of 5.3%, industrial output rose by 6.1%, while retail sales increased by just 3.1%. So clearly, Chinese consumers have been slowing down, and their appetite for spending is hit because of prolonged real estate downturn, and that's weighing on the household and business confidence as well. Deflation has been there for more than a year, and that is also reflecting in the weak domestic demand. So I will now invite the technical team to take the call forward.
Yeah, thank you, Jian. Good morning, everyone. See, yesterday we saw that Nifty closed below the 22,270, and we expect this pressure to be continue in today's session. Today we expect gap down open and remain a selling pressure during the day. Next immediate support place around 22,040. If Nifty break this range, then we expect this pressure to be continued towards 21,900, 21,670 at downside. Upside 22,340 is the next immediate resistance for Nifty. Bank Nifty also trading below the important support zone yesterday, and we saw that some pressure in yesterday's session. This continued today's session also. Next immediate support place around 41,000, 47, 70, 46, 700 at downside. And next immediate resistance place around 47,960. So both index looks weak at current level. And if first half an hour trading below the important support level, then we expect this pressure to be continued to the session. Fin Nifty first immediate support place around 21,080 and then 20,970, and upside 21,390 is the immediate resistance for Fin Nifty. Stock Pacific, Cipla looks weak at current level. Axis Bank also yesterday saw that some pressure, this pressure to be continued towards 200 DMA. That comes around 1030 and 1000 at downside. Godrej CP also looks weak at current level, and Dabur also looks weak at current level. Positive side, BL looks positive at current level. That one stock in positive side. Otherwise, we see some pressure in all other stock. BL 228 is a major support for BL. Is trading above that. This momentum to be continued. Below that, then this trading the sideways momentum. Upside 348, 248 and 250 next immediate range for BL. Otherwise, Cipla, Axis Bank, Godrej CP looks weak at current level. That's it for technical derivative.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning, everyone. So on the derivatives front, as per the overall scenario, on the index option front, we are seeing that almost there was 31,000 crore of selling in initial trading session, in which we are seeing that the portion of the put writer got liquidated from 20,500 to upper range strikes, due to which the portion of that liquidation directly got converted to the call writer positions on the addition front, which is a negative point for the market right now. From 22 22,300 to 22,500 range, we are seeing it that almost around 18 million positions of call writer got added on in yesterday trading session, which is on the weekly basis, also on the monthly basis also. So 22,500 will act as an important resistance zone for the market till the time Nifty is not getting clearance about that level. Till that point of time, market scenario will be bit cautious on the downside. On the supportive front, 22,000 will act as important support for the market, because at 22,000 strike, we are seeing that 16 million positions of put writer are still holding on the monthly basis. But once if Nifty goes below 22,000 market, then we will see major sell off in the market, which will take Nifty on the downside toward 21,700 to 600 levels. So, or if you look at the data front from the FI front also and the index switcher front also, or complete data front seems to be on the negative front. So keep light on the long positions. We might witness more selling pressure in coming days of trading session. While in the stock specific front, counter that looks negative in today's session will be Bata India, Coromandel, and Metropolis looks negative in today's trading session. So that's it from Better Front. Thank you.
Geo Financial Services will be forming 50-50 joint venture with BlackRock to undertake wealth management business. Earlier, both the companies came together to form the AMC business. So this is for wealth management in addition. And this would also involve the forming a brokerage company. So this is positive for Geo Financial. Also, Gujarat Gas has signed an MOU with Indian Oil Corporation to broaden the scope and accessibility of energy solutions for consumers, whereby Gujarat Gas will set up a CNG facility and CNG mother facility at all Indian Oil outlets. So this will be positive for Gujarat Gas. Thank you. Yeah, commodity team can take over.
Yes, thank you very much, Jian. Good morning, everyone. So yesterday we had witnessed some profit taking in commodities, and today we are expecting a pullback. Gold, as long as it is holding above 71,000, we maintain a buy on dips view. So yesterday it had taken the support around the 71 to 200 odd levels. So on upside, we are expecting 72 600 to 72 800 on upside. So buying with the stop loss of 71 900 is recommended. Also, silver, we are expecting prices to test 84,000, 84,500 on upside. So buying around 83 300 is recommended with a stop loss of 82 700. In copper, we are expecting prices to test 834, 836. So buying around 827 is recommended with a stop loss of 822. In zinc, we had witnessed prices holding the support area of 240. So buying around 243.50, 243 is recommended with a stop loss of 240. On upside, again, it can test 246, 248. So buying on dips in zinc is recommended. Crude oil, we are expecting prices to test 72.50, 7300 on upside. So buying around 71.50 with a stop loss of 70 is recommended. In natural gas, we should witness some range bound movement from 138 to 148. So trading within this range is recommended. That's it from me. I'll ask Utkarsh to take the call forward.
Thank you, sir. Very good morning, all. For today's trading session in USD and we are expecting some sideways to bullish momentum in the range of 83.63 on the higher end, 83.38 on the lower end. So one can initiate long positions in the range of 83.43 to 83.40 levels with a stop loss of 83.35 for the target of 83.56 and 83. 60 level.